In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract via Docusign, 5 minutes. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in to sending the document so you can move agreements forward quickly and confidently. Start by signing into your Docusign account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Start option. Clicking Start creates a new envelope, which is just Docusign's term for the package that contains your contract and the details about who needs to sign it. Next, upload your contract. You can add a PDF, a Word document, or other common file types from your computer. If your contract lives in the cloud, connect to your storage like Google Drive or Dropbox and select it there. Make sure the file you upload is the final version you want signed, since any content changes later would require a new send. Now add your recipients. Enter the name and email address for each person who needs to interact with the document. Double check spelling here. Accurate emails ensure your contract actually reaches the right inbox. For each recipient, set their role. Needs to sign is for people who must place a legally binding signature, receives a copy, is for anyone who should get a finalized copy but doesn't sign. Viewer lets someone look over the document without signing. Choose the role that matches what each person must do. If the order matters, say a client signs first and an internal approver signs second, enable set signing order. Then assign the sequence so DocuSign routes the contract in the exact order you want. Before you build the document, customize the email subject and message that recipients will see. A clear subject and a short, friendly message provide context and increase the chance of quick action. Click Next to open the document for preparation. You're now in the tagging area where you place fields for each recipient. From the left panel, drag and drop the fields you need. Place signature where each person should sign. Add signer name and date signed to capture details automatically, and use text boxes anywhere you need someone to fill in information. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient. Zoom in for precision and align fields neatly to keep the document clean and professional. Finally, review everything carefully. Confirm all fields are present, assigned correctly, and positioned where they belong. When you're confident it's ready, click Send. DocuSign will deliver the envelope, guide each person through signing, and notify you as the contract is completed.